Ue Lani, ola ka Honua. When the heavens weep, the earth lives. We're lucky we live Hawaii. We are blessed with many gifts, including access to some of the best waters in the world. Sustainable practices have existed since ancient times to protect and preserve our natural resources that are essential to our quality of life. The people became stewards of the Ahupua'a, self-sustaining areas shaped by island geography, honoring the interrelationship between nature and the surrounding communities. Each and every one of us has a role to ensure we protect our water resources today and for the future. Rainwater is our source for fresh water when allowed to soak into the ground and replenish our freshwater resources. But especially in urbanized areas, it can run off into our streams and oceans. Our drinking water supply depends on rainfall and a healthy, balanced natural ecosystem to catch and filter water through our watersheds and recharge our underground aquifers. We need to do our part and keep our water clean so we can live, work, and play. Most water use is non-potable and occurs outdoors. Homes and businesses can use green techniques to capture and use stormwater as a resource rather than letting it go to waste. By creating more areas where rainwater can soak into the ground in urban areas, we see better air quality, reduced heat, and improved aesthetics. One solution is installing a rain catchment system. It collects water from your roof so that it can be used in your yard later for non-potable use, such as watering indoor plants or floral gardens, washing cars and pets, or during emergencies for flushing toilets.
We installed the rain barrels about 8 months ago, or the first one about 8 months ago, and then since then we've added 2 more to our site here in Makiki. We have different points of green infrastructure here at the Hawaii Nature Center. We have solar panels, we also have the rain barrels that we just installed, we have aquaponics in the back, and then because we don't have a sewer system connected to the Hawaii Nature Center, we have a what we call a green machine, the green machine that takes our solid waste from the bathroom, separates it, and then takes it. It kind of models after a marsh or a wetland system, cleans it through different plants and animals that we have in it, and then we recycle that water and we feed it to our native garden that's by our admin building. We love the rain barrels here at the Hawaii Nature Center. They're really easy to install. We use them all the time. They're great for educational purposes with the students. And we don't have to use, that our valuable resource of water that's pumping from our aquifers. So it's really nice in multiple ways. And we can even add some more too.
Our rain catchment system is easy to install. Plus, it helps to conserve water, reduce runoff, and save on your water bill. Where to place a catchment system will largely depend on where the water needs to be used, where the water drains from the roof, where the barrel can be placed higher than where the water needs to go, and where there's level ground and solid foundation for the barrel. As with any project, do some research first and make a plan. Materials for a rain barrel catchment can be picked up at your local hardware or garden store or even online. Plus, check for rebates. Board of Water Supply residential water customers may be eligible for a $40 rebate on a qualified purchase of a 55-gallon rain barrel while funding lasts. Setting up a rain catchment requires a couple of things. Parts: a container, trash can with lid, and if there is a downspout, a diverter kit. If not, or you want to really do it by yourself, you'll need a hose bib or ball valve and screens, caps, and strainers. Tools: if you have the kit, a drill, tape measure, level, and marker are all you'll need. If not, you'll also need Teflon tape, drill bit or saw mandrel, and carbon hole saw and jig. With everything on hand, the install can be done in a couple of steps. If you're not using the diverter kit, you will need direct roof runoff to the container. This can be done in a variety of ways, but easily by either using a 3-inch pipe on the downspout or connecting a chain from the roof to an opening in the top of the container. You will also want to install screens, caps, and strainers to prevent mosquitoes and debris from getting inside the container. Rain catchment systems come in various shapes and sizes, recycled or purpose-built. One barrel may be more than enough, or it may be time to accessorize or upgrade and create a custom configuration to complement your home or business and to highlight your creativity and green design aesthetic.
The city encourages residents to be everyday clean water heroes in helping to prevent stormwater pollution. And a rain catchment system and other green infrastructure is a powerful tool to do this. To learn more about techniques for rain catchment and other green infrastructures, please visit our websites, cleanwaterhonolulu.com and boardofwatersupply.com.